I'm going to show you how to factory reset a Hisense Fire TV. This is the A7 series. You want to factory reset if you want to sell the TV or you want to start fresh back over again. Okay, anyway, very simple here. So first thing is just go to your home page, click on the home button on your remote. Make sure on this page here, then you want to go ahead and navigate to the settings gear icon. So just move over to the right, keep moving over. Right there, now we're going to go down. And from here, we're going to go down to device and software. Device and software right there. Select on OK on the remotes. And then from here, we're going to go down to reset to factory defaults, remove all personal data and downloaded content from your TV. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and proceed, reset to factory defaults. And I'm going to go ahead and reset. And you're about to reset your TV to its original factory settings. Your sign information, personal preference will be lost. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and continue with the reset here. And this whole process should take maybe a minute or 2 minutes. TV's being restarted now. Resetting your Fire TV. And voila, we just performed a factory reset. Here you go, pretty simple. Questions or issues? Just comment below.